Hello, this is Dr. Patrick Porter here, and I want to tell you about a very innovative conference that's coming up online called the Immersive HealthTech Summit 2023. You're going to learn in my webinar about the 3 phases that need to be in any holistic training program. Number 1, you have to have a nutritional protocol, so I'm going to be sharing that with you for the brain. Number 2, you need to have movement in your therapy. If they're not doing some kind of movement therapy, then the nervous system will never get engaged. Number 3, they need to have some kind of brain fitness. So I'm hoping if you're watching this and then you head over and you watch the Immersive Summit, you're going to find that there's a part to play with the technology of BrainTap in every clinic, because after all, there is something to be said about neuroplasticity and creating the change on a physical level and a psychological level at the same time. So right now, we're in an energy medicine paradigm. So when we think about how this aligns, right now, every one of your clients are going to tell you, it would be an exception to the rule if they didn't tell you they didn't lack energy. So what you're going to learn in the Immersive Health Tech Summit is you're going to learn about technologies that build energy. Because right now, energy is the real equation. If we can give our clients energy, they're going to begin to tell other people about it, and they're going to look at healthcare totally different than what the mainstream media is telling them. They think if it doesn't come in a pill or a potion or a bottle, that it can't be fixed. But right now, I'm telling you, quantum energy and quantum wellness is on the rise. No matter what level of practice you have, you can measure the results that you're getting. You can verify with your client that results are happening, and you can give them a report back that shows them that quantum medicine in this immersive world that we live in now is getting quantum results. So what I want to do is thank you again for listening today, and I look forward to seeing you all on the Immersive Health Tech Summit 2023. Again, this is Dr. Patrick Porter with BrainTap. Take care and see you all soon.